We're on day 40 since we put the bare red seascape strawberries in, the 2 units on the right. We're going to check out the garden here. I did have some issues about a week ago. The pump in that unit went out. I'm guessing the plants didn't get watered for about 12 hours. I thought I might lose them all. I got the pump in, I increased the watering cycle a little bit. And in the process, all the roots turned brown and weren't looking too good. I'm running a sterile system. I think that's pretty much what saved these plants. So we're going to check out these roots and see where we're at. Now normally you see how these are flat in the bottom here. I normally don't allow this. That is flat because this is in here and it's sitting on the ledge here. So when that happens, you gotta be careful that these don't start getting root rot because they're just sitting in the water and it's not getting proper drainage. But with running a sterile system and not running a watering cycle very often, it's plants are doing okay. So we're going to check a couple more of these, see how we're doing. They're all a little bit different. This one I really don't care for too much. It's a lot of the old roots up here still look pretty bad. It didn't grow many new roots towards the top. It just grew them at the very bottom. This one here could actually get retrimmed. Should get trimmed way towards the top more. This one's actually not super healthy compared to what it should be. Alright, let's check the one up here next. That looks just like this other one I just checked, unless I just double checked the same one twice. Yeah, they both look about the same. They're both roots are sitting here at the bottom. So we gotta be careful with these so they don't start getting rot. Looks like a lot of them are doing that now. They're just reaching the bottom part of it, but at least there's not water sitting, a bunch of water sitting in the bottom like you do with the Y pods, so it shouldn't cause an issue. So I just started letting them bloom. Actually, as of yesterday, I stopped cutting blooms off, so we're going to start letting these plants flower. Now let's check out the lettuce grow Farmstand here. This also has bare root strawberry plants. These are also the exact same time as we got the other one, Seascape, and you can see the big difference in the roots, how they are. They're pretty much massively longer in this system. They can, you're about guaranteed to get proper drainage of the root system because this is how the system is designed. So they look super healthy. Now the garden did look a little bit better until that pump went out. That did cause a lot of issues with the roots. They were a lot wider and healthier, but just messing up that water cycle a little bit really messed up our roots. So both these systems are running 0.7 EC and somewhere around 6.0 pH. The two on the right I just showed you. The one here right there in the middle of these three is my Albion strawberry plants. Most of those are pretty old, or some of my new runner plants. But all these I am still a never-ending fighting battle of with spider mites. And I don't know if you notice here, we're getting a little bit of flickering on this one light right here. Some of these lights are going out. Lettuce Grow Farmstand already replaced all these lights for me. Well, you can hear now all the systems are watering. So I think it might be just the garden systems right now. They water every half an hour for 1 minute. Then Let's Grow Farmstand. I currently have them watering for 3 minutes, about every 20 minutes. I'm constantly playing around with the watering cycle to give them the least amount of water as possible. The reason for that is it helps with keeping the roots healthy.